Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Ledger Nano X. First, carefully unbox your Ledger Nano X and confirm all items are inside. Next, connect the device to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Power on your Ledger Nano X. You will then see a welcome message. Select the option to set up as new device directly on the device screen to begin the initial configuration process. Now let's secure your device. You'll need to choose a strong PIN code between 4 and 8 digits long. Remember this PIN as it's crucial for accessing your device. The Ledger Nano X will then display your 24-word recovery phrase. Write these words down precisely, in the exact order shown, on the provided recovery sheet. Finally, confirm your recovery phrase by re-entering specific words when prompted. With your device secured, it's time for the software. Download and install the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website onto your computer. Once installed, open Ledger Live and connect your Ledger Nano X. You'll be guided to set a strong password for Ledger Live itself. After that, you can easily install the cryptocurrency applications you need, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, directly onto your Ledger Nano X through the Ledger Live interface. You're almost ready to go. It's a good practice to verify your device's authenticity within the Ledger Live settings to ensure it's genuine. Then, send a small test transaction, perhaps a few dollars worth of crypto, to confirm everything is working correctly before transferring larger amounts. This ensures peace of mind. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Some Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Your Ledger Nano X is now activated and ready for secure cryptocurrency management.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.